बाहर गया क्योंकि तुमने उसे प्यार नहीं दिया। वेलकम टू एपिसोड 3 ऑफ द सीरीज ट्रैश दैट मिथ। वो इसलिए बाहर गया क्योंकि तुमने उसे प्यार नहीं दिया। दिस स्टेटमेंट इज अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ब्लेम शिफ्टिंग onto someone who is viewed as weak and unable to fight back. This statement in no way holds the person cheating responsible for their actions. It is also a way to enable and promote patriarchy. This statement is something women hear all the time from their spouses, their in-laws, and in fact even from their own parents. It ensures that women are always there to take the fall for everything that goes wrong in a relationship. It is traumatic that women are told they are responsible for their cheating spouse because they couldn't love him enough. Blaming another person is the easiest way out of a sticky situation. It doesn't take much thought to point out that if the woman would have been more attentive and loving and kind, this may not have happened. But this logic is flawed. The bitter truth is that nothing she did or did not do would have kept him from cheating on her. The fault of an affair lies squarely with the cheating partner. The decision to cheat and its subsequent actions happen deliberately and with proper planning. A cheating partner should be held responsible because they know exactly what they are doing when they are doing it. It is also important that women don't immediately start self-questioning or fall into the trap of self-doubt, trying to find fault with exactly where they went wrong or to figure out if giving more love would have stopped the cheating. In marriages, there are many chances of things going wrong. However, cheating isn't the way to work out those issues that strain a relationship. The willingness to talk out the issues and seek help if required is the solution to a better relationship. When each partner takes responsibility for their role in the downfall of a relationship is when things have a chance to improve. In fact, cheating only deepens an existing crisis and blaming another person is despicable. Why are cheating partners not held accountable for their actions? As a society, are we truly so incapacitated that we keep trying to find excuses to throw women under the bus for everything that goes wrong? Why do family members enable this behavior by making such minimizing and humiliating statements? This kind of blame game of inadequacy has long-term negative impacts and could affect the overall well-being of an entire family, including children. Research suggests that among the various reasons of cheating, the most common reasons for a cheating spouse are the following: a past baggage that causes an inability to stay committed to a relationship, narcissistic or abusive traits, sexual identity issues, personality disorders, lack of self-esteem and insecurity, substance or alcohol addiction, feeling unloved or unwanted in a relationship. Now, if we pay close attention, we notice that all of these issues stem from the mindset of the person who cheats. Statistics say that a partner who has cheated once is likely to repeat it once or multiple times in the lifetime of a relationship. Counseling, therapy, or treatment from a specialist could likely be most helpful in such cases. So next time a man cheats in a marriage, make sure we do not blame the wife by saying she did not do enough. Let us collectively accept that he failed to keep his end of the bargain when he stepped out of his marriage. If you like our videos, please reach out to us for suggestions, advice, and/or tips by commenting and liking this video. Don't forget to share this with anyone who is having a rough time in their relationship. We would like them to know that they are not responsible for the cheating that their spouse is carrying. Take care and see you next time. Bye.